Hello everyone, Mike Arnold here, co-founder of Pat Trading Partners along with Bob Iacchino. Sorry about no Bitcoin updates for a couple days. We had some minor technical issues. You can see here, ran up. We had this level right about 10,450, spiking there. Ignoring this, we had some really weird data on this bar, so we're ignoring that one. Coming up there and hitting it again, and then dropping down. This was a very sloppy double if you ignored this spike up and down, with the first profit target being about 10,097, so essentially 10,100, coming right down just shy of that level, 10,103, and then rallying back up. So that is completed. I hope some people spotted that. So now we can take this off, and I'm going to update these levels to this here, coming back into this consolidation pattern, running against up against some minor resistance here. Next major or next minor area we're watching for resistance is about 10,400. Above that, then a return to 10,450. Above that, 10,530, and then 10,603. Those are the key levels. The upside to the downside key support, you see this little ledge right here, and where we just tested right below here, we're focusing on the candle bodies about 10,150. To the downside, if we did fall below that, we'd be watching down to about the 10,000 level. Out of oversold condition right now. Let's take a look at the daily. So, daily chart, we've just been stuck in this range for quite some time. I mean, we broke down a bit over here, but we've really been in this range since back on August 14th. So, not much progress since August 14th. Key areas again we're watching is above about 11,000 bullish, below 93.50 is bearish. Right now it's just neutral, trading against support and resistance. Let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, nice little rally, first cross the rotation zone. Actually, let me zoom in on here. So this is great price action. We've talked about this before. When you see a breakout of congestion, so we had congestion consolidation, breaking out, moving sideways, letting the 8 MA catch up, 8 EMA. This is called 8 pushing the price for us, pushed it up, went back into the rotation zone, back to test this prior resistance, becoming support area in the rotation zone, and then strong rotation up. So you can see our major level is this 191.20 area, running up there. That's where it topped out, then moved sideways. At that point, again, to help everybody so you can do this on your own, you could have moved it to here, grab 194.50 area where it paused out again, went to rotation zone. Now you could have come up there. Now it's pausing out. That gives us 199.62 level where it's pausing right now. And then above that, we'll be watching about 202 to 203.50 is the next major area higher. Key support now coming in about 195.70. If we did break below that, we'd be watching this little support ledge again with the bottom of the rotation zone about 189.50. Back to overbought condition, but that doesn't mean it has to stop. It just might pause or pull back a bit more. So let's take a look at the daily chart. Finally, clearly above the rotation zone, above the 50 EMA. So really pay attention to this, especially the 203.50 area to 204.50. That's the upper end of this range with the 200 simple moving average we're watching and this prior major resistance over here. So that's a really good area to move up stops or take some profits if you're trading in and out. It clearly in overbought condition right now, but again, that doesn't have to mean it's stopping. It just means that you might want to watch for a pause or a slightly bigger pullback at some point, especially if we get a divergence, which we do not have yet. So we have for you on this quick update. We'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.